Yo, what's good, fans of fight fans? It's your boy JB Trap House Boxing, back again with another video. Shout out to the LDBC. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, share the video always, and leave your thoughts and comments at the end of the video. And if you're looking for that exclusive street news, go subscribe to Urban Media Fix. Hit the notification icon bell so you don't miss this heat that we drop from Urban Media Fix. And go subscribe to the Smoke City Mobcast. Hit that notification icon bell so you don't miss this heat that we drop every 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The LDBC, we get together and we do our thing from the Smoke City Bobcast. So you make sure you tune in, you subscribe, share the video like always. All right, now let's talk about this Floyd, Gervonta Tank Davis, and this Adrien Broner situation, man. All right, man. I believe that, I believe that Floyd is done with Tank, man. It's just been too much shots been fired throughout these last, I don't know how long this shit been going on. It's been back and forth for a little while, even since the whole time where Tank wanted to stay in Baltimore and train, and Floyd was like, nah, you need to stay and come to Vegas and all this other crap. And, they just been having their little back and forth and all the other good stuff. I believe that's where it started at, and Floyd is basically saying that he made Tank, but we all know that Broner brought Tank to Floyd, but Floyd said nobody knew who Tank was until he put him on the mainstream, and blase squaze, which is true. Nobody really knew. I didn't know who Tank was like that, but hey, man. All that really don't matter no more, because we know who Tank is now. He became the hot commodity now. So, but anyway, man, I believe Floyd Mayweather's done with Gervonta Tank Davis. He just said to hell with him. He put him in a bad spot, with this whole Lomachenko situation. Now it's like, I believe it's either fight or take flight. I don't really see no other easy way out Gervonta Tank Davis can take in this situation right here. If he don't take the fight, then it's gonna clearly look like it's a clear duck. Gervonta Tank Davis is a little prideful guy. I don't believe he's scared of anybody. I just think that he don't know how to lose. I can see him doing some crazy shit when it's time for him to lose, man. And Gervonta Tank Davis he be acting like a little, he like I said yesterday in 78 live stream, man. He act like, just like a little boy that ain't never had nothing, man. I wish he grow up and be a better little individual, but he a kid. He don't see the significance of it right now. But I don't know if Broner is a good look for him. Logically looking at it, to the average person, they're gonna automatically say no. So I don't know, man. I don't know how Tank gonna perform. The whole Lomachenko situation, and I'm assuming that it's really gonna happen because Bob Arum has came out and confirmed that Floyd he's been talking to Floyd Mayweather about the fight with Lomachenko and Tank. So I guess they working on that. Floyd all in Jesse Vargas' ear, telling him, I guess he's trying to tell him how he can beat Broner, and so Floyd can get the last laugh, like always. What else you expect from Floyd Mayweather? Shit, I wouldn't be surprised if goddamn Tank and Broner try to get together and jump Floyd ass. Oh, boy, that'd be some shit, boy. They goddamn crept up on Floyd, which I know that he got too much security. They crept up on Floyd and snuck his ass and kept moving. You know what I mean? That'd be a hell of a task, though, man. Hell of a task. But, yeah, man. That's pretty much it, though, Yeah, but, we'll see how this whole thing pan out, though, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this whole little deal, man. Y'all think that this is the final straw? You know what I mean? And y'all think Floyd dead ass wrong for tipping Vargas, you know, on how to beat Broner and all that?